Alright, I just want to show you this. I've got a Triton Workbench Mark 3 series. It's got a router table and a fence on it at the moment, but I just wanted to show you the wheels that I've got set up down here. This is so you can just wheel it in and out of your shed or around your shed. I've got just a little groove, and I've just cut some holes for the legs to sit in. A bit of bracket either side, and just some cheap, they're actually off an old heater casters that I had. So once you got it out, we'll just lift it up. You can just flick this out. There you go, so it sits level. The other thing that I've done, just to make it a little bit helpful, because these Mark III series, where it goes into the stand, it just sits there with a rubber stop, so you can actually have it on the ground without the stand. But you can have a look at what I've done here. I've just made a little bracket that goes across these two holes here, put some bigger screws in. So this is just the handle now, so that you can lift it up and wheel it in and out. So hopefully that's a bit of an idea just to help you move your Triton workbench around.